My name is Jonathan Norman from the Major Projects Knowledge Hub, and today I'm interviewing Jo Lucas, editor of our first ever digital scrapbook, about her hopes and plans for the scrapbook. So, what are you hoping for from the first of these Major Projects Knowledge Hub digital scrapbooks?
I guess I'm excited by the fact that we're doing the scrapbooks in the first place. I've been involved in the development of the Knowledge Hub since the beginning, and for me, the community that you build around the Knowledge Hub is absolutely vital. And I think looking at a single topic from 12 different viewpoints, serialized throughout a 12-month period, is a really exciting way to build that community. In particular for me, I'm looking at the design for manufacture and assembly side. We built our house using this technology, and in the process we saw both the potential of this methodology, but also a lot of the challenges that sit around it, and is probably the reason why it hasn't been more widely adopted through industry. So in looking at it in depth from 12 different viewpoints over the course of 12 months, hopefully we can create a community around this, a real industry conversation, and work out what we need to do to push this agenda forward.
We'll be publishing each new page from Jo's scrapbook on the last Friday of every month, starting in May. Make sure you check into the Major Projects Knowledge Hub to follow the scrapbook as it develops over the next year. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to ensure you receive alerts to the new video elements in the scrapbook as they are published.